Now, there are different functions of a business, and the first one is to provide goods and services. Now, as you can see, it's also, as well as a reason, a function. Now, to provide goods and services, this is something that all businesses exist to do. If a business does not provide a good or a particular service, it's definitely not a business. Number 2 speaks to providing employment. Now, all businesses provide employment for different persons, whether it be persons within the neighboring community to which the business exists, but the business must provide employment to other persons. This way, there creates jobs within the environment, within the country, within the society, and it also contributes to function number 4, which is economic growth. When persons are able to work, they're able to pay taxes, they're able to support different government services, and thus the country itself thrives. The third one is to make a profit. Now, as for all business owners, it wouldn't make sense to start a business and you're not able to benefit from it richly. So the main idea of having a business is to make a profit. And the profit would really be returns on what you've already invested. So if you invest $100, the profit that you'd probably make is maybe $50 on that. So that just receiving $100, you get $150. That's how you know you make a profit. Once it's anything greater than what you have already invested in the business itself. The last one, which is connected to number 2, contributing to economic growth and development. What most businesses do, well, if not some, all, they all pay taxes to government for different services, whether it be for land tax, employment tax, GCT, they all pay tax in some way possible. With taxation, the government is able to obtain revenue from the business, and that adds to its expenditure, what the government is able to provide for the citizens within the country itself, right? And also, some businesses may decide to give back to different communities. So they might decide to adopt a certain children's home or an old person's home, or they may decide to adopt a school that's in need or very unfortunate. They may decide to put a certain amount of money in that account for the school during a certain period of time. They may provide certain amenities, food, clothing, water, different basic needs as a means of charity in order to give back some of what they have already earned. And by doing this, economic growth and development does take place. So in our next class, we're going to look at, since we've already seen what a business is, different reasons and functions of a business, we would want to look in our next class at different business structures, because business structures are very diverse and they're not all the same.